Thursday, July 14th. We're at the riverfront right now, near the play area. Water levels haven't looked like they've gone down much. Kind of a cloudy day out. This is the Anderson Dance Pavilion area. These trees here are not going to survive. Looks like even they're starting to yellow a little bit. Just north of the Anderson Dance Pavilion. In this area you can really see some moving water. Stop sign. The water's moving down near that tree right there. You can see that moving pretty good. There's the monument. There you have it. That's the way downtown Sioux City. Pumping station, lift station. Yeah, we're on the Veterans Bridge. Just looking at this water going around this bridge support. A lot of water. We're on the Nebraska side, the Marina Inn. They got pumping some water out over their dike. I can't see very well here. It's kind of cloudy. It's being done with an iPhone, so I don't have the capability of zooming. Get an idea how fast that water's moving there. Some of the doomed trees. There's a lot of them that have fallen down just north of Hamilton Boulevard on the Iowa side. Water undermines the roots. We're looking towards the YMCA now. And this is a lift station for the city. We're looking at the YMCA on the Nebraska side. And you can see the water encroaching in the parking lot. This was the boat ramp. Lift station. Do not enter sign. Marina Inn. Yeah, there's some trees. The big old tree hanging on that light pole. Surprised the light pole's still open, still up. These pine trees are not going to make it. The water is up to the LiteForm wall. I haven't seen it that high before. Yeah, we're at the YMCA, and the paper said that they're going to move back here in a couple of weeks on August 1st. You can see that the parking lot has been dried out. They have been able to, I guess, plug the storm sewer drains and then be able to pump it out. They have a usable parking lot. I think that pump there probably helps a lot. It's not running right now, obviously. You can see the water level's been up quite a ways. It's receded. Yeah. This is looking towards the campgrounds. We're in the campgrounds. Obviously no campers, it's closed. Now there you see a tree that's fallen over. It's because of the wet soil. Another tree is fallen over. This isn't even in the current. As this groundwater comes up, it's going to kill a lot of these trees. That's a big wall there. Yeah. That's the parking lot for the public pool area. There's nobody in the pool. The water looks very brown. This is the public swimming pool for South Sioux City, Nebraska. This is their parking lot. And we're looking towards the camping area. There's a bike path, running path, right there along that fence line. We're near the Scenic Park campground. Ball fields over there. There's the sign. Those are the ball fields. Say hello. We're still at the ballparks. Just want to see the wind blowing the waves over here. Scenic Park Fishing Access right here. Riverview ball fields. See the current going right there. Looking towards the soccer fields. But look at this. These are LiteForm walls that have collapsed. It shows they are weak. Ball fields again. These are the soccer fields. The water has been higher. You can see the evidence of that. It's a lake. It's just devastating to these soccer fields. There you have it. Okay, we're out at Wynstone, and this is the pipe they're using for pumping the water out. It's a flexible pipe and it's full. Out it goes. It's Wednesday, July 13th, and we're at Wynstone. We're looking at the extension of Mud Lake and looking into where Nyland keeps his buffalo herd, and as you can see, the fence for the buffalo herd is kind of underwater right now. Yeah, I haven't seen this lake like this before.